Hello beBee, this is Yogesh, and right now I'm capturing this moment. I thought of using live bus, but my internet is not working well right now, so thought of capturing with this video. So I'm right now at the place Nervi, the beautiful place in Genoa city, the same place, yes, where Christopher Columbus born and set the sail for the new world. In fact, my current buzz quoteful shot is inspired from the different photo shots which I took here in Genoa, and I related my thoughts with these photo shots and produced honey on beBee. And really, I mean, nature do inspire us in many ways. It's an amazing teacher for us because we do have amazing designs in science and technology which is inspired from nature. We got some amazing philosophical thoughts, moral values from nature. So nature indeed teaches us a lot. In fact, I would like to highlight the beBee social networking platform. In itself is inspired from nature, where the bee is producing honey, making hives, buzzing around. Amazing concept and very well implemented as a social networking platform. And my current buzz about quoteful shots is when I produce it and producer and get some amazing reinterpretation on the same with another bee. It was quite amazing. So thanks to all bees, and keep buzzing. And let me go back to this beautiful nature and produce some honey to share in our hives. Have a good evening. Arrivederci.